see here we have one journal, and in this journal see entries are already there. So and see, besides this journal I have created ledger also. So ledger is a separate type of register, different type of register, and in that or you can say different record, and in that record what we do, we open accounts. Like here we have first account is which one? Cash account, then we have capital account, then we have purchase account, so on, isn't it? So journal is a different record and ledger is a different record. In journal what we do, we collect the transactions, and in ledger what we do, we classify the transaction and put them at a particular place, and that particular place is known as what? Account. So see, here we have journal and here we have ledger, and in that ledger I have opened several accounts, and now I am going to explain you how to make ledger posting, how to transfer journal entries from journal to the ledger. Now see, here we have the first entry which was conducted on 2014 January 1st. Now what is the entry in the journal? The first entry, yeah, cash debit, capital credit, and the amount is 50,000. Okay, so see, in this entry we have two accounts, cash account and capital account. Two accounts are. So the posting will be done in two accounts. So first I will make posting in cash account, then I will make posting in the capital account. So see, cash account, and see in the ledger cash account, this is my cash account. Now you tell me, in the entry cash account debited or credited? Debited. So see, in the ledger this is the debit side, this one is the debit side, and this is the account, cash account, and this side is the debit side, and this side is what? Credit side. The left hand side is debit side and the right hand side is credit side. Now in the entry, tell me, cash account debited. So in the ledger and in the cash account, posting will be done on the debit side, because see here cash is debited, so posting will take place on the debit side. So on the debit side, first I will put the amount 50,000. Why on the debit side I wrote this 50,000? Because cash account is debited. And in column for detail I will write the name of the opposite account, and the name of the opposite account is capital, and I will put the date here, January 1st. Okay, so see, cash account and on its debit side. Why on its debit side? Because in the entry cash account debited. So that's why on the debit side first I will put the amount, and then in column for detail I will write the name of the opposite account. And the opposite account, opposite to cash, is which account? Capital account. So I have done posting in the cash account, posting done in cash account. Now I will make posting in which account? Capital account. Now tell me, capital account is debited or credited in the entry? Credited. So in the capital account, posting will be done on the credit side. First I will put the amount 50,000, and now I will write the name of the opposite account, and the name of the opposite account is cash, and I will put the date January 1st. So I have done posting in which account? Capital account, posting done. Now next entry, tell me which is the next entry? Mohan. So it means again posting will be done in two accounts, but which two accounts? Purchase account and Mohan account. So see, in the ledger, where is the purchase account? This is the purchase account. Okay, now see, in the entry purchase account, debited or credited? Posting will done on debit side or on credit side? Debit side, because in the entry it is debited. So on the debit side I will put the amount, and then I will write the name of the opposite account, and the name of the opposite account is which one? Mohan. So here I will write the name of the Mohan, name of the opposite account, and I will put the date January 4. Done. So posting I have done in which account? Purchase account. Now next posting will take place in which account? Mohan's account. So let's find out where is the Mohan's account. So in the entry, tell me, in the entry Mohan's account credited. So in Mohan's account, so see, this is Mohan's account. On credit side I will put the amount, and what was the amount? 10,000. So in Mohan's account I will write first 10,000, and then I will write the 10,000, and then I will write the name of the opposite account, and the name of the opposite account is which one? Purchase account, and I will put the date January 4. So posting done in which account? Mohan's account, posting done. Now next entry, tell me. Yeah, so posting will take place in cash account and in sales account. So cash account debited, so in the cash account on the debit side, first I will put the amount 3000 and I will write the name of the opposite account, and that is sales, and then I will put the date January 6. So posting done in cash account. Now next posting will take place in sales account. So here see, we have sales account. So sales account credited. So on the credit side, first I will put the amount 3000 and I will write the name of the opposite account, and the name of the opposite account is which one? Cash. And I will put the date January 6. Yeah, so posting done in sales account also. Now next entry, tell me furniture and Mr. John. So furniture account debited or credited? Debited with 5000. So let me find out furniture account. Yes, this is my furniture account, debited. So on its debit side I will write 5000 and I will write here the name of the opposite account, Mr. John, and I will put the date January 8. Yeah, so posting done in furniture account. Now next posting in Mr. John's account. So let me find out Mr. John's account. Yes, here we have Mr. John's account credited in the entry, isn't it? See, Mr. John is credited with 5000. So in Mr. John's account on the credit side, first I will put the amount, and now I will write the name of the opposite account, and the name of the opposite account is, let me see, furniture. Yes, the name of the opposite account is furniture. Yes, we got that, and I will put the date, and date is January 8. So posting done in Mr. John's account also. So posting done in Mr. John's account also. Now next posting, what is the next entry? Salary cash. So posting will take place in two accounts, salary account and in cash account. Okay. So salary debited with 1000. So in the salary account on the debit side, first I will write 1000 and I will write the name of the opposite account, that is cash, and I will put the date. So let me see the date of that transaction, January 10. On January 10 we have done that transaction. So I will put the date January 10. Yeah. So I have done posting in which account? Salary account. So let me highlight this. Okay. Now cash credited. Yeah. So in the cash account on the credit side, I will put the amount on the credit side because credited. So on the credit side 1000. And I will write here the name of the opposite account, and that is salary, and put the date January 10. Yeah, so posting done in cash account also. Now what is the next entry? Ramesh and sales. So Ramesh debited, so debited with 1800. So in Ramesh account, yes, Ramesh account here debited na. So debited with 1800. So first I will put the amount, and I will write the name of the opposite account, that is sales, and I will put the date, and the date is January 15. Now next sales account, isn't it? I have done posting in Ramesh account. Now sales account. So sales account credited with 1800. So in the sales account on the credit side, I will write 1800 and I will write the name of the opposite account here, Ramesh. And what is the date? January 15. Done. So posting done in sales account also. Now next entry, tell me. In this entry we have three accounts. So first account is which one? Cash. So first posting will take place in which account? Cash account. So cash account debited or credited? So posting will take place on the debit side. Okay. On this side, debit side. So debited with how much amount? C debited, so that's why on debit side. And C debited with how much amount? 1700. So first put the amount 1700. Okay. And write the name of the opposite account. What is the name of the opposite account? Ramesh. Not discount allowed. Okay, now remember this. Because opposite to debit is credit, and on credit side there is Ramesh only. So I will write the name of Ramesh and put the date January 20. Understood? See, normally what mistake we do? We write Ramesh isn't it? Name of the opposite account. And we put the amount also of Ramesh, 1800. And that is incorrect. Normally when we write Ramesh and we put his amount also. So that is not correct. We are making posting in cash account, so we should write amount of cash only. So cash debited, debit side, debited with 1700, so put the amount 1700. And only name will come of the opposite account, not the amount. So posting I have done in the cash account. Now next posting will be in which account? So discount allowed debited or credited? Debited with how much amount? 100. So let me see, where is the discount account? Yes, this is discount account. Debited with 100. So on the debit side, put the amount 100 and write down the name of the opposite account. And the name of opposite account is what? Ramesh. Isn't it? And put the date, January 20. So posting done in discount allowed account. Okay, now we have to do posting in which account? Ramesh. So Ramesh debited or credited? Credited with how much amount? In Ramesh account on the credit side we have to write 1800. Remember this, credited. So that's why on credit side, and how much with how much amount? 1800. So we have to write 1800 with 1800. Now here one unique thing is that opposite to Ramesh, how many accounts are there? 2 accounts opposite to Ramesh. Opposite to Ramesh there are 2 accounts. It means this 1800 we have to write in fraction actually. In one go we can't write 1800. The total should be 1800. So see what I am doing here. In Ramesh account, first I will write the name of the opposite account, cash account, and how much amount? 1700. Then the another opposite account is which one? Discount allowed. How much? 100. So see, in the Ramesh account, see on the credit side 1800 came now automatically. 1800 should be there. And why I can't write 1800 in one go? Because we have 2 accounts. We need to write a name of both the opposite accounts, isn't it? That's why I can't write 1800, isn't it? 1700 plus 100. So cash, this is the opposite account to Ramesh, and discount allowed is also opposite to Ramesh. So posting done in Ramesh account only.